heart. This isn't the way that we dreamt of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start? To escape this, 'cause you don't know what's going wrong. This could get dangerous real fast if you're left on your own. I think you need some time, I think you need some hope, I think you need someone to tell you that this is the darkest road. 'Cause this isn't the way that we planned it. This isn't the way that we dreamt of living.